In this video, I'll show you how to use Disney Plus Group Watch in a quick and easy way. Let's get started. Just open up your Disney Plus application on your device or visit the Disney Plus website. Begin by logging in to your Disney Plus account. To group watch a show or movie, browse through your desired genre, movies, or any other content. Once you select a title, next to the plus sign icon, you will see the Group Watch icon, which looks like a triple person icon. Tap on it. After that, you'll see an interface like this. If you are the one starting the Group Watch, simply tap on the Start Stream option. To share the stream, tap on the Invite option. This will generate an invite link that you can share with your friends or family. You can copy the link and paste it through any social media platform or messaging app you prefer. After sharing, tap on the Done button. That's how you can use Disney Plus Group Watch. Wasn't it simple? Go ahead and give it a try and enjoy your show or movie with your friends and family.